have to go through hardware and software inspections to ensure that your robot meets the basic requirements given by FIRST.
If something on your robot is illegal, the inspectors will request you to change it or take it off.
The strictness of inspectors varies, so if we disagree with the inspector's decision, politely request to reference the rules.
FTC rules state that your robot must fit in an 18 by 18 by 18 inch box at the beginning of the match. However, once the match has started, your robot is free to expand to any size.
The robot's battery, motor, and servo controllers must be secured to pass inspection. Velcro and rubber bands can be used to secure the battery, and motor and servo controllers can be stacked like this to save space and be secure.
The NXT brick and Samantha module need to be mounted on secure but accessible places of your robot. If your NXT is slammed into during a match, it can cause your program to freeze and your robot to lose control. So, the referees need to always have access to your NXT's buttons in case of emergency.
The Samantha module connects your robot to the field control system, so it needs to be in an exposed area, but if it is bumped into, you can lose connection. When mounting the Samantha, we recommend using plastic washers to separate the module from it.
You can also fabricate pieces for your robot using raw material. If you choose to fabricate pieces, the judges will inspect them for sharp and potentially hazardous corners and edges. You can use files or sandpaper to blunt the edges of most materials. However, if you are using sheet metal, you can fold over the edges or use duct tape to line it.
The rules on legal materials change yearly. If you have a questionable material, you can ask about it on the FTC forums. Updates to the rules are also posted on the forums, so we recommend checking them frequently throughout the season.
If you have a questionable fabricated piece that the forums have confirmed to be legal, we suggest that you print out that form question and take it to the inspection.
Each season, teams can also find robot and game rules in the FTC Game Manager.